away. That's Keenan, definitely back up front, charging away. Well, that's got there a couple of corners, didn't they? Mistake, and they charge up through its corner. Middle of the traffic is this third place car of Joe Spencer. And then the battle for fourth has got closer and closer again here. We might be about to see a change for fifth place again. Absolutely wheel to wheel here. On the number 7 car of Peter Davis. There's still wheel to wheel as it comes through the chicane. Peter Davis has gone around the outside of him as they fight to try and get on the throttle without losing the back end, but he's done it. He's got that. Zero in. Wheel to wheel all the way through the chicane. Good driving that because there was no contact between them.
And 41, who he was challenging at the time, Danny Bird, has gone a missing, so that would indicate that they might have had a moment. 10th place, but he is there now. 93 goes through in third place, let's see who comes through. It's still the 66 car, Sharman, then 7 the next man through, Peter Davis, and 33, Levi. Yeah, he's up to 9th place.
Lap down on the leader, and then coming up playing it now. Is the black and yellow number 4 Kit Kat leading. Those two in a battle of their own, a little bit less traffic, but still some traffic. Then what about this 4th place battle? It's coming over the brow now. And it's this time number 66, Alex Chalmers coming under attack down the inside. Wheel to wheel again, this time it's number 7. He goes to the inside line, he's got a place on the previous lap. Can he get another one here? Can he get himself to 4th place? No, he's down slowly in his face. He's nose to tail still as they rise up through the very dry track now at Clay Hill. And now he looks to swing the outside, he's much quicker. He looks to the right, he looks to the left. He's going to try and attack, I think. 4th place.
Elias, 5-4, Keenan and Spencer close up again. A lot of back markers coming out of Old Hall Corner, so it's nose to tail once again.
Yeah, no change.
Still, Chalmers from number 7, Peter Davis. But that could change before the end of the straight.